do you need a decarbonization map for your company? Then start by making your resource management transparent. From building technologies with electrically operated air conditioning, lighting, and ventilation systems, to your production technology, including gas-fired kilns, smelting furnaces, steam engines, or pressing machines, all the way to infrastructure, such as an e-car fleet. Because unless you know what is consuming energy, how much and when, you can't develop effective measures to reduce your resource consumption, and thus, your CO2 emissions. Transparent data from the shop floor to the top floor serves as the basis. But how can you get data for all the different resources? With energy meters and measuring devices that record not only power consumption, but also the consumption of other resources, such as water, heat, gases, compressed air, and fuels. But how can you make your resource data transparent? Well, using automation components like C-Matic ET200SP or C-Matic S7 1500 in conjunction with measuring devices like an energy meter or a Centron pack, you can combine the measurement data for all resources with your production and process data and visualize it in a plant and company-wide energy analysis using C-Matic Energy Manager Pro. This makes actual consumption by your individual processes transparent, and you can derive targeted measures for optimizing plants, processes, aggregate states, and maintenance. To find out by how much you can reduce your CO2, use C-Matic Energy Manager Pro to convert the resource data into CO2 measured values. This provides a separate carbon footprint for each area. But to obtain a complete carbon footprint for your individual products, you also need the CO2 values of your suppliers. This is because most CO2 emissions occur in the supply chain. With the C-Green product carbon footprint management tool from Siemens, you can securely request the CO2 values of your suppliers and flexibly combine them with your own to create a reliable carbon footprint, or PCF, for individual products. To do this, simply record your own emission values via an automated interface between C-Matic Energy Manager Pro and C-Green, and request the CO2 values from the entire supply chain via C-Green SaaS, all while retaining full data sovereignty. Because with C-Green, you retain control over your data. Aggregated data also prevents identifying information about your production from being revealed, and security is guaranteed by comprehensive security measures according to the certified Siemens standard. You can display the PCFs of your products that were dynamically created via C-Green on the market and use them as a competitive edge. And another thing, the combination of C-Matic Energy Manager Pro and C-Green lets you calculate and compare your PCFs company-wide and incorporate some of the data you need for your PCFs into your CSRD reporting. Together, let's already take the next step toward a sustainable future. Let's do it now.